Would you believe me if I told you that Amazon is not the best distribution platform for your book? I'm Michael DeLon, founder of Paperback Expert, and we help experts like you create a book without writing a word and then use it to gain more clients. And yes, your book should be on Amazon, and it builds credibility and it gives people access to your book so they can buy it, but it's not the best distribution point for your book. I believe the best distribution point for your book should be your own website. And you should be handing copies out and mailing copies personally. And here's why I believe that. Having your book on Amazon is great. And when somebody buys a copy of your book on Amazon, you get a few dollars of royalties. Okay? That's not how you're going to gain wealth as a business owner. You do want your book in people's hands, but the value of having your book accessible to other people is to gain their information and add them to your database, your list. Your list in business is your number one asset because you own that. So what we teach our clients is, yes, we're going to put your book on Amazon and on Kindle, but we also create a PDF version for your website. So we tell you to give away a free copy of your book in exchange for their name and email. Now they're on your list. Now you can market to them. The other thing you can do is when they opt in for the ebook that's free, the thank you page is going to come up. Hopefully you've created that with a great video of you thanking them for downloading a copy of your book and letting them know that you'd be happy to mail them a free copy of the physical book. Just tell me where to mail it and I'll put it in the mail for you. You'll have it in a couple of days. What we have found is about 50% of the people who opt in for the ebook give us the rest of the information for the physical book. Now that is valuable information. Those are your best prospects. And then when you follow the book mailing process that we teach our clients, your book shows up as an experience, not as junk mail. So there are a lot of ways to distribute your book. Amazon is a great platform for distribution. I just don't think it's the primary platform for a business owner. Your book is created to position you as the expert in the mind of your audience, to share your expertise, your journey, your message, your methodology with your prospects, to move them one step closer to scheduling an appointment with you, to walk into that appointment having already read your book, knowing you, liking you, trusting you, shortening your sales cycle, helping you gain more clients, and then having your clients hand your book out to their friends, neighbors, relatives, business associates, church members, expanding your sphere of influence 5 times or more by following the script we're going to teach you to give to your clients so they will become a distribution platform for you. So is Amazon a great place to have your book? Absolutely. It's just not the best place for a business owner who's trying to use their book to grow their business. That's what we help our clients do. So if you're an expert and you've always thought about becoming an author, reach out to me. Send me a direct message. Go to my website, paperbackexpert.com. Let's schedule a conversation and see if creating a book without writing a word is the next best step for you. I'd love to have the conversation and see how we can help you generate more leads, prospects, clients, and referrals by using your book on your number one distribution platform, your website. Have a great day. Hope this has been helpful. God bless.